Hey guys, mcfixit here. We're going to take this seat cover and put it on my seat. I really do like these seats because they are heated, but over time this Honda has just begun to deteriorate. So we're going to use this one. I got it on a really deep clearance, so if it doesn't work great, I'm still okay with that. But I'll put a link to something that's similar to this in the description. The only tool you will need except your hands is a knife to cut that little flap off. Then the rest of it should just pull straight out. And we will show you exactly how to install it. This one does have the airbags, which I really am thankful for. I do want to make sure that my side airbags do work. And the first thing it tells you to do is go ahead and put this over the seat. So I'm going to scoot the seat all the way forward so I have the best access to this possible. I'm a big guy, so I would never be able to drive like that. But you can go ahead and throw it over the back. And you're pretty much just wrapping this around. And these are universal, so it's not going to fit extremely perfect. But just go ahead and start pushing that down and bringing that around. And there is a little thing right here. Two things. First, you have to unhook that. Second thing is grab this, it's a little foam piece, and stick it down through the seat. I'll scoot this back to show you kind of what I did. And I'll pull it back out. So you take this and you just put it down where the crack of the seat is, and then you can go and start wrapping this around the seat, and I just start tucking it in. The other thing we're going to do is get this strap to connect to this strap, and so we will have to take some of this plastic off to be able to do that. So you can go ahead and just start pulling this apart, and most of this will just separate out pretty easily to where you can start to get the piece in there. And you're gonna have to stick this down the side to where you can get your hand underneath. And like always, there's always stuff underneath these seats. So go ahead and stick this down on the side. And then you're gonna have to be able to reach down and under, which sometimes you can get from the other side. So I'm gonna try to push that down as far as I kinda can. That was kind of hard, so a little harder than I thought that one was going to be. So I'm going to just kind of stick it off to the side here, hopefully, and it did. It just shot back under. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get the other side and then connect the two. This is going to be very hard to show you, so I'm doing the same thing on the other side, just sticking it down. And maybe actually just wrapping this around right now might be a good thing. And I'm going to put this down underneath this plastic piece to hopefully hold it a little better after it's all connected on the bottom. And then I'm going to reach down. Okay, I found that piece, and now I've got to reach back for this one. Got it. Then you just Velcro those two together and let that sit, and just go ahead and kind of morph this to the size of your seat the best that you can. Push it down in there, then reconnect all these pieces. I'm actually gonna have to pull that back apart for another second. And that's it. again, you just start by putting it over. You put that little piece in, you fold this around, and then you shove down the 2 elastic bands and meet in the middle. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Please comment if you do have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching.